Well guys, in this video we're going to learn about how to remove blank row very fast. First, if you have a data with blank row, just select the data, block it, and after you block it, you press Ctrl G or select go to, and then select the special in go to this thing, special, and then select blanks here, and then press OK. It's gonna block all the blank row. Now right click it and select delete, and then just select entire row. It's gonna really delete all the blank row you have, and it's work really fast. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.